We take pride in providing our customers with unsurpassed quality and tremendous small to large part capability. A great example of that quality can be found in our CNC machining. Our CNC milling 3-axis has great capabilities. 50-inch by 116-inch maximum size part. Up to 20,000 RPM. 1,000 PSI through the spindle coolant. And shrink-fit tooling to ensure the closest of tolerances. Our CNC milling 5-axis offers the following features. A work area of 28 by 25 by 22 inches. Tool holder capacity 90. A 3-pallet pallet changer. And 18,000 RPM cutting speeds.